Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Meatballs, or rather, meatless balls, or even better, tofu balls, because tofu is life, okay? Team tofu, high five, right? I love my tofu, and we can make wonders with it, and the proof is in the pudding. And in this case, the proof is in the balls. It's a little bit of an Asian kind of a vibe recipe. You're going to love it. So let me show you how I put it together. So first we're going to start by mashing some extra firm or firm tofu. And we're going to add minced onions, grated carrots, and minced red peppers. Some spinach as well, cut very finely. And we're going to spice it up with salt, pepper. And here we have the egg substitute, ground flax seeds with water. In this case, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to 4 tablespoons of water. We need everything to bind and stick together, so when we are either frying or shallow frying or air frying or baking, it doesn't split open. This is horrible, but I promise you this is not going to happen. And we let it sit aside a little bit so it thickens up, because it's going to be these some sort of a what is the word for that? I don't even use this word because I don't eat it. It's egg white kind of a thing, you know, little thicker, okay? So let it sit, and the consistency, it should look like this. And now we're going to add some cornstarch. However, you can use any other flour. Yes, you can. Now, just add a little bit of oil to your hands and roll them like so. And now to the fridge they go, because they are supposed to be cold. The fridge or the freezer, they're supposed to be cold in order to, again, secure their shape once they are cooking. And now we're going to make the sauce, which is to live for. We're going to add some oil to the pot, and then minced onions again. Allow them to saute for 2 minutes, and then we add some more grated carrots and some red peppers. Stir, and now we add salt, pepper, brown sugar. The brown sugar is going to remove the rough edges of all the acids that we put in. And also, if you have it, you can add 2 ingredients that if you don't have it, by all means, don't stress out. Don't go running to the shop and buy it, although you can do a lot of things with it later because they're very good for a lot of recipes, which is mirin. It's not rice vinegar, okay? It's mirin. It's different because it's not that acidic as the rice vinegar. And nanami, which is a Japanese, it's a blend of a Japanese spices and chili. People are not going to notice that it's there, but it's going to give that je ne sais quoi kind of flavor. And water. Now you stir and allow it to cook just a little bit. So now that the tofu balls are cold, I'm going to use my air fryer, okay? But like I said, you can deep fry, you can shallow fry, and then you can bake them, all right? And now that the tofu balls are ready, they go into the sauce and allow them to cook with the sauce for about 2-3 minutes. Now, to make things even a little bit more beautiful, you can add some cilantro or parsley. Oh, little tofu. We love you, don't we? I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. The sashimi or nanami, which is the Japanese spice blend, chili blend, is not so hot. You add just a little bit. It's not for the hotness that we're adding it. It's for the flavors. A little bit of a kick, but mainly for the flavors. Please make it and serve it with rice just like that. You don't need anything else. Just a salad, of course. Yes, I'm salivating, okay? Yes, I am. Of course I am. You aren't you? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. And subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And the recipe is going to be down here under the video. All right? See you next time. Bye. No! Tiger has a lizard! Oh my god! Oh my god! Why?